Welcome to Prep Joy Current Affairs. Subscribe to our channel and also visit www.prepjoy.com to learn current affairs. Topic for today's video is 9th October Current Affairs English Notes. Maria Ressa and Dmitry Muratov win the 2021 Nobel Peace Prize. Journalists Maria Ressa from the Philippines and Dmitry Muratov of Russia have won the 2021 Nobel Peace Prize. He has been honored for his efforts to protect freedom of expression. Maria Ressa, Philippines-based news organization, is the CEO of Rappler, while Dmitry Muratov is the editor-in-chief of the Russian newspaper Novaya Gazeta. Maharashtra to set up anti-narcotics cell in all districts. Maharashtra Home Minister Dilip Walse Patil has directed officials to set up anti-drug cell in each district. To check the growing menace of narcotics, it will be set up under the chairmanship of the Superintendent of Police. Officials will form committees to take joint action with the help of police, industry and the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Anshu Malik becomes first Indian woman to win silver in WWC. On the 7th of October 2021, Anshu Malik became the first Indian woman to win a silver medal at the World Wrestling Championships, WWC. Anshu lost 4-1 in the final to Olympic medalist Helen Maroulis in Oslo, Norway. Sarita Moore has won a bronze medal in the WWC. Maharashtra government to launch Mission Kavach Kundal. Government of Maharashtra will conduct a special vaccination campaign against COVID-19 from 8th to 14th of October 2021. Under Mission Kavach Kundal, 15 lakh people will be vaccinated daily. The state aims to vaccinate 9.15 crore people, vaccine eligible in the state. Nobel Prize in Literature 2021 awarded to Abdul Razak Gurna. Abdul Razak Gurna has been awarded the 2021 Nobel Prize in Literature. Abdul Razak Gurna, professor at the University of Kent. His novel Paradise was shortlisted for the Booker Prize in 1994. Fitch cuts India's FY22 GDP growth forecast to 8.7%. Fitch Ratings has lowered India's economic growth forecast for the current fiscal to 8.7%. But raised the GDP growth forecast for FY23 to 10%. Fitch Ratings in its APAC Sovereign Credit Overview gave India BBB/negative sovereign rating. It slashed the growth forecast from 12.8% in June 2021. 39th Indian Air Force Day, the 8th of October 2021. The 89th Indian Air Force Day will be celebrated on the 8th of October 2021. On this day, the Air Force in India was officially raised in 1932 as an auxiliary force of the Royal Air Force of the United Kingdom. Every year, this day is celebrated at Hindon Air Force Station, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. India, United Kingdom start exercise Ajaya Warrior in Uttarakhand. India and the United Kingdom, UK, began a 2-week military exercise Ajaya Warrior in Chaubatia, Uttarakhand on the 7th of October 2021. The 6th edition of Ajaya Warrior exercise is part of an initiative to develop interoperability and share expertise with friendly countries. The exercise will conclude on the 20th of October 2021. UAE launches plan to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, on the 7th of October 2021 announced a plan for net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. UAE will invest 600 billion dirhams, $163 billion, in renewable energy. This makes the UAE the first country in the Middle East and North Africa region to launch a concerted initiative to achieve the climate commitment. Forbes 40th Annual Forbes 400 Ranking of Richest Americans. Forbes released its 40th Annual Forbes 400 list, the definitive ranking of America's wealthiest people. Forbes 400 net worth reached a record-breaking $4.5 trillion. Former Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos continues to top the list for the fourth year in a row with a net worth of $201 billion. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.